All right. Hi, I'm Scott here with DynaScan at ISC 2026. Today I'd like to show you all of our exciting technology we have on display here. DynaScan is well known for our high brightness LCDs. We've been doing that for a number of years, and we have the widest variety of range of solutions, ranging from 32 inches on up to 86 inches. These are great for any sunlight readable application, whether it be in window or integrated in outdoor kiosks.
How bright are they?
They get up to 4,500 nits. So that you are getting a very bright image that's able to overcome the competing sunlights, reflections, glare from windows, and they're going to be visible even for if you put them in a window, they're visible on the other side of the street. So bringing in passersby into your retail location, real estate offices, and now one great feature about these is our factory true color calibration. So you're going to be representing your brand colors, your colorways of your product in a very natural, true daylight tone.
How do you calibrate them? In the factory?
In our factory. Every screen that comes off our production line is factory calibrated, so that we are ensuring consistency, uniformity, among multiple displays. So
the 65-inch seems extra bright. Is it possible that some of the sizes have different kind of peak brightnesses?
It could be. It could be the panel. It could be the panel. This is. They're all in the vicinity. This is a. Like you said, this the 4,000 nits on this one. Once we go higher than that, then we're going to be going to a 4K screen with our 75 and 86. 65 and down is going to be a full HD 1080p. So.
All right. And so what do you show here? You have a lot of stuff?
Yeah, these are our outdoor kiosk solutions. We offer a range of integration technology, display technologies from LCD, LED, fine pitch LED, even ePaper, and of course traditional lightbox posters. We bring it all together in a complete solution that is streamlined, a single source from a single manufacturer, easy maintenance, and they even have cloud control and maintenance abilities that so you have kind of a always-on awareness of your network, if it's operating properly.
And it's touch?
We do have touch options. And here not only is this touch, but we have some interactivity with a camera where you can kind of control the action. So, this is really just a demonstration that, if you have some interactive elements that you want to offer your audience, these kind of options can be integrated directly in with our
And
kiosk.
it can sense when there's an audience, so something happens?
Yes. So if it's you can people passing by the screen, the gaze on the screen, if they're looking at the screen, so you can do some audience measurement for that as well. So this is similar option here.
So do you have a lot of these deployed all over the world?
Installations, yeah, we do have a lot of networks that are rolling out with DynaScan screens from in Europe, Australia, around the world. We do have a lot of use in these North America. They are a proven solution. They are energy efficient, and they are going to be bright and offer a lot of diverse display technologies, which is actually, I want to emphasize, is future-proof. Let's say today you go with LCD and tomorrow you want to go with LED. That is a path that we have made available to you so that you don't need to take out the entire kiosk and start from scratch. You can upgrade as your display needs to change in the future. So
LCD is like a huge ecosystem, right? There's so much innovation happening in the LCD business, and you're just taking the best that's there, you're flipping it on the side, and bringing it to the digital signage market?
Yeah. So I mean, LCD has been a proven solution, especially for applications where you need to be up close to the screen. You want a nice, crisp image, 4K. Need to be able to legibly read text. It really just depends on the application. If you're going to be in a bus shelter, or you're going to be further away from it. Maybe you just need the brightness. You can go with an LED screen, so you can sacrifice some of the clarity for extra brightness, extra contrast, for a little bit more brighter image.
So it says here LCD, ePaper, LED, lightbox. So you have the ePaper also?
Yes, we do have ePaper. It's going to be actually right here. So in an outdoor setting, this is going to be, you're going to have the sunlight on it. It's going to be much more bright and visible because of the reflective properties of ePaper. Yeah. One of the neat things that we are showing here is a very quick refresh rate. Typically, ePaper takes 30 seconds or more to refresh the image. We are pioneering a new technology that allows these images to refresh at a much quicker rate, so that you can update your content on a more regular interval without maybe having to do it overnight when people aren't walking by.
This could actually be brighter in outdoor setting than
in an outdoor
LCD.
setting, yes. You aren't, actually the brighter the environment, the more visible the image is. It's like just like a poster. It's the darker it is, the more difficult it is to see a poster. So an outdoor setting,
you just want to not have some glossy reflections on the glass.
Yeah. I mean, there could be, and we do have some anti-reflective coatings and stuff that we make available to help overcome some of that.
So this
is going to be LCD, and then on the far end here we have LED. So this is I believe a 1.8 millimeter pixel pitch on that.
So what would you say your customers are saying for choosing LED instead of LCD?
It really just depends on the application. How close do they need to? Does your audience need to be? Is it for an information kiosk where they're going up and getting reading text or finding maps, or if they're on a city street and they're going to be walking by it, cars driving in the area, you may not need that clarity, but you want the brightness. And LED definitely offers a bit of a brighter, more vibrant image, just because you're looking at the technology behind it. So.
And what's on this side of the booth?
Yeah. Okay. So over here we have a simulated bus shelter. One of the things our LED panels we've designed is our versatility on how you can assemble them. Some manufacturers are going, like 16 by 9. We are offering a few different aspect ratios to fit different formats. Maybe it's a 6-sheet bus shelter advertising, or the F12, F format, which is commonly used in parts of Europe. They don't need to tear everything down and start from scratch. They can adapt to a format that they're already have in place. And over here we have our ePaper as well. These are more for indoor applications, but in window. So again, you're getting the benefits of a sunlight reflective image that can change. Maybe it's a real estate office where you have different listings that are being changed out on a semi-regular interval. That can all be done remotely and frequently as needed as the market changes. So,
what's the total control cloud?
So this is our cloud offering. This is going to be what gives you basically a 30,000 foot view of your network. You can see how your assets in your network are their health, power consumption, if there's anything, warnings, errors that need to be addressed. If there is an issue, it'll identify where that kiosk is, the address of that location, and so you can dispatch a service technician to that area if needed. I mean, some of these things can be just completely power cycled remotely before you need to actually send somebody out to see what's going on. So it is somewhat better to be able to try to resolve an issue before you're wasting a lot of energy, resources, and fuel to go fix something on site. So
you can check the health of the display, proof of display.
So
LumaSense.
One thing I mentioned is we do have the ability to see if the screen, not only is it running, but how do you determine that if the screen is down? We actually have sensors that will measure the reflections on the internal glass to see that actually the image is being displayed. It's not just the PC or the media player is on, but that image is actually being shown. That's going to be crucial for proof of display for advertisers that want to know that their ads are truly being shown to their audience. So.
And targeting the support for the right places if something needs to be fixed.
Yeah, if you do need dispatch support, you can kind of get an idea if something it does need to be addressed. Yeah.
Nice. And there's more over there?
Finally, I kind of like to show are these. We do have a purpose-built in-window solution with our all-in-one DW series. Whether it's a dual-sided display or a single-sided display, these are designed to be put in the window. You're going to have a brighter screen on the outside facing the street, and then we have a slightly dimmer side for shoppers inside the store. You don't need that brightness, but you are being able to target both people on both sides simultaneously. And if you don't need the double-sided screen, we have one with a clean back so that you don't see cables and input connections on the back. It's a nice, clean aesthetic.
And you do some boards over there. I see right there.
Yeah, we do offer different connectivity options, whether it's wireless connectivity. If you need to connect, we have an HD-based T that we can card. Now we have the option for the a smart display module. If you want to go with an Intel smart display module, you can put that in there and run the operating system of your choice. We do have integrated Android players already ready to go, so if you just need to get something up and running, this is an all-in-one solution. You just load your content on it and you can play it, whether you're using our software or maybe you have your own Android software. And then we do have you can also use the SCM slots for an HD-based T solution, so you can feed your video feed from an external source.
What's the history of the company? Where are you based?
So we are been around since 1998. We started with LED displays early on. Our manufacturing is done in Taiwan. We have offices all around the world. Our major sales office is in North America, but we have offices in Netherlands, Germany, and of course Asia as well. So we are able to provide worldwide global supports and rollouts, and we work with partners and channel partners in areas of the world where we may not have our own office, but we do have a lot of channel partners as well. So,
imagine every pixel, every sound, enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices. For movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.